just try and invite a friend. Today's going to be great to invite a friend. Invite your friend. Avec gigolos, allô voir the gigolos. This is me. Give no respect to my late dad. Honorable Imade Yunuagbon, it's many good to women. My beloved father. Please invite your friend. Very, very necessary you invite your friend. Invite your friend. I'm almost turning it to become a studio. Please, we are going to be pausing it here. We are also going to go back to the music later. Please just invite your friend. There is something I want to be letting us know. I have a topic I've already prepared for the day because what I do by the grace of God is to study ahead so that to give enlightenment. I've told us before, the very day I find out that I have nothing to do in social media, I will rest my case. And the one thing I want to first of all do, today I declare PFM to become, it's a terrorist organization, so I have nothing doing the terrorist organization. So there's something that is that's going to be happening by the grace of God. We're going to be seeing new thing in a different dimension. You know, at the time some group of people choose to call you a fool, I'm never a fool. I want to be passing this warning. I want to be passing this warning. It was a pity man when you were almost killed When he wanted to visit you in the city of Rome, just because the way I was born and brought up by my biological father and my biological mother were then you are taking this as a yardstick. You insulted my lady and I want to tell you today, I want you to come to Spain. Spain, and I'm waiting for you. You have been doing what you've been doing. I'll be trying to kind of calm down, but you bad much you try to bring that every video need down. Look at me. You've taken my name to everywhere. But to my thing, what you want to do, you want to humiliate me. I see you are going to use your any evil plan. You plan against me. Why are you where I'm going? I serve you. You go make way. You win a little way. It matter who me I but you come every day with Ranamigo, Uman Nufio boy. You never know what you put your hand. A battle, my husband a family. My cultist. We use battle to fight. A law enforcement officer we're working. A Spain man, a governor, I want you to come to Spain. Woman I tell you Spain, it will do my biose. Ranamigo, when I tell you Spain, it will do my biose. And I'm going to also reserve my comment. I want you to do your worst. That power that you have to raise and kill, you don't show it. And amigo, you are better than what you can do. Remember, I was one of the soldiers who fight for you. All you could do is to insult my own father. Amigo, I was one of your best soldiers when it comes to war. You better more than what? You draw the battle line. Do your worst you can. Do the worst you can. The worst that you can do, you don't know where. I give you humanity, Spain in 7 days' time. And you are my biose, and yeah, humiliate you. Amigo, you are a gigolo. A gigolo. Okay. Umanu fio boy. Umanu, a law enforcement officer. But I will tell you, Amigo, you are going to go behind the bar. Umana go behind the bar and go Salobo. You are going to go behind the bar. Or Salobo can move behind the bar. And wherever place you are, even where Tony Meni, or you are going to use your own blood to pay. Why your blood the way I'll serve you. It was serve you when I said. I respected you. You know your own way. I never know you are that wicked. A wicked man, okay? A wicked man, okay? And whosoever that going to be passing judgment on mine own, the same hole who were turning in a daily you way. Ranamigo, you are an evil man. Evil man, okay? And I'm charging you today. Evil man, okay? You are God, don't tell me to stop. Or I will let us, or I don't want anybody to put any fucking comment there. How dare and it goes, throw his dirty matter to my own father. When you not better me, and whoever say, maybe say. My father was 78 years old when he died. I never knew where, or this was your plan. I fear those who can kill the soul and kill the body. I'll be looking at you. I'll be looking at you. Every day I bring it down. I have everything already. I can where you are be threatening here and there. How you win now? What did you get? Before my brother get to your age, they cannot do where you. They cannot do where you wear you. Every man address him. They can address everywhere you. So I never know that they do they foolish. I never know that you are this foolish. You might get you foolish. You might get to you they foolish. You might get you foolish. I regretted the very day. You were the one that called on me. Local government this in Udwata. One way you now. You are the one that bring it all. Am I owing you cup? I'm not owing you money. But we cannot buy money. I've done the battle. Spain wood. Then I want you to come. I want you to come. I want you to come. This is president in the making. Now president in the making. Whatever anybody want to say, let them say. I've drawn it. I've been cooking quite one way. Let me just let go. But I found out that every evil plan you plan against me, you go to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. Look at it. This very good is a terrorist gang. A terrorist gang, you know. Where worry? Mamu everywhere itala work banner. Ogbenu kegbe. Nuke Bomagbe na Tialazi. Ovia Okan Begun Amodo. And there was in the book of Samuel, David, Osalobana the Tinino, you have been bragging and say you are on top of the world. What do you know about me? More something about you now. You are a gigolo here now. If I can wait now. If I make away. If I make away. The fruit make away. I never knew. I thought what my father and my mother taught me at home. I never knew. Western no be me. Western no be me. Look at me very well. What game say Western no be me. Western no be me. Western no be me. Rude na rio go no. Rude na rio go no. Igbina no be na gbina. I stood by you when I stand by man. You are ungrateful ignorant to him. You are ungrateful ignorant to him. Ungrateful ignorant to him. He might blame you. Blame me more. I never blame you for any couple. If I know we for pursue, I will not come near you. You have tried to kill me. Almighty, I declare today, and I want to appeal to all Igbenigun sons and daughters. Please, I'm sorry. Mori is sorting out your ramen. When okay now, PFM was an organization that was one first set up in Jamaica movement in Ghana. When I saw this very thing, I had to go and read about the history. In 1955, PFM was a political party. It was a political party. When I saw, okay, maybe this was where this man adopted this thing from. This was where I adopted this from. Then I tend to say, okay, it's been the mind of, let us just struggle to see our feast our nations. I spend my money for you. I spend my time for you. Okay, they train you, training. What did you train me for? A commissioner of police in Miami, where was he going there? No, when I have me with 1.5 million pounds, I will not give him a fake vision. Monsieur, where you are? As I have left to Gumeko, 7 years. Please, I beg you before, but this time around, Mama, record my way and I've listed up the names. And everybody are going. Mama Bolona is going. Anita in Germany is going. A blessing in Umuho. Ne blessing Kinodo is going. Amos Captain is going. Why hadn't you present yourself before the court? He only there. I'm telling you today. We are the Spain. I will have a law enforcement officer there now. My father, we have graduates in our family. We have graduates. I'll be looking at you maybe I try to give you benefit of that. Then you are coming up every day. How can you logically set up a terrorist organization where we're going to fight the corruption? Am I the corruption you are going to fight? Am I the corruption? Or you are the corrupt person here? Who does not accountable? I found out that it was no longer funny. I let you. Why this bragging here and there? And I'm going to implicate your own brother to it also. Rambigo, Umay no feel body. Umay no feel body. Very well, we maintaining. Iba, we are here. I'm momenting la. We will see. Every day, I must wake up and pray. Saloba, deliver me, deliver me. Be that this is how you choose to pay me back. Any hole you have dug for me, you will use your head to fill it. You use your head to pay. More give away information like that. I don't want to mention anybody's name. Give away information to anybody. A plan, you no plan awesome. Whatever you plan against me, you are going to use your head to carry it. Okay, what do you have to give to me? Come and tell the world, in what area have you ever advised me? If you pay family, or to my late daddy, may I hear? Well, if I can fight for you and his grave, I think I can fight for my father, even when at his grave. Why you not bury me? You know, and you are going to bring it up. Just be preparing. Chain why I'm going to use it to chain every one of you. Again, why me I can never one day complain anybody to you. You keep on troubling me every day by day. Then people are supporting you. That I'm just a man of peace. You want my man? He might swear you were dead. It's where I was just okay. A man who don't know worry when ni make an action been on he make been nowhere. He make been I was one of the soldiers who always stand who will always stand to fight for you. And any person of you, any person of you, because you want to Western, any person of you, no man, no man, and no money, very gawe. Brown was you pay me, you will not pay me salary. Did you ever want to pay me salary? No. Uriye platform you wear it. I slickly walk away. In a go home. But every day, the other, you send me another one day where you investigated me, so to not do any of it. I'm going to be presenting everything out. You will go to somewhere and explain yourself. You will go and explain yourself somewhere. And you are not going alone. That was why I came today to come and destroy your car. Maybe when I'm coming to also come and throw your clothes. Yeah? This is your car. So we are going to add the coffee where you tell us, but then I will my ear, you know. You want to then won't go your hand. So I guess if Benigo's family, if you are there, you are hearing me. A life female will be on everything more aware for any to wear to women, but I don't want to say this. A life female or and you quickly want to be hiding. Why deleted the video back? Why you deleting the video? Why must you go and delete the video? I deleted the video now. You leave the video there. What by me, law enforcement officer? What by law enforcement officer now? Because my you are the highest oppressor I've seen in my life. Oppressor in now. I know you be oppressor in. Walk belly me go kwa imagwa. E can we tell Mary anywhere you were where you're to wear him. Me ma degi ekede. It has been higher you. I never want to fall back. What is your problem here? It was gele gawe naga. Very I was one of the first people no raise alarm. I was your defender, amigo. I was your defender, Clement amigo. Even when we were turning many where you would me. Then even like PFM we don't see where it will work. But if marry PFM, it will do the William Bonambo. You have a William Bon. I help you build up your name. We wait to Agbemo. Walk and yamo in Jesus. Walk down on Ibiane. Walk and yamo. You will have to feed our own we're then because you are found Omega. Almighty go you become. I'm waiting for you. Who carry it out? What 20 terrorists? You know. Where worry? If you are now you boy can warwa. I'm not that type. Why go on the anyway? I born winning. Might have born winning. I don't try to see the little thing I can to make sure I help you out. Oh, he may tell who I pity for you. That was when I declared I need to help this man. You are turning everything. And the most powerful thing I mean matter. But later you will come out and say, you are a truthful man. You are a dead liar. You are a dead liar. A dead liar. When will you ever say what you done to you? Waiting and give information well than a God's family. If I've ever wanted to give your information to God's family, amigo, a plan or something, but maybe give a plan you know real plan what I am with Jesus. I can pray for you. Whatsoever you saw in my life, in I made me that way when I was with you. Even if you pass away, I ever want to seek your downfall. A plan of me has some, but I never want to seek your downfall. I was telling a friend one day now where I can see you my platform to defend him. But all you could do was go and dig. You want to dig. You want to not bury me again. Then you know what killed my father. Maybe when the time comes, you can explain what killed my father more better. Why explain? I know a lot of your followers who never want to listen to the other because they want to die with you. Even anybody apology. It just begins. A preamble, I came to come and give you a preamble, and I'm waiting for you in Spain. What a glorious day going to be for me to hear that Ogbalegbe from Spain, where so and so person like this, I've invited you to come. I want you to come. I want God do a double go. I will raise money online for you to come to Spain. Or not because we talk and do it. I want you to just do it. Why worry me? Have this Spain or call them from whatever. Tell me when I call it Spain. I want you to call Spain. Or Benuke brag. You don't forward, doctor. I don't want it to. Not now. I not for you, Tori. If you're wrong, by calling you a father, who when I don't take it for granted, Western or be me, Western or be me, Western or be me by Asia, Western or be me, Western or be me. You might blame me where? I blame myself for respecting you. Ma when I bar class of ma when I bar office of or how you time give me ma to what away. Where give me say now? Look me very well. Oh mama me. Rude na ri owo no. The other time when I get blessed like that on road, I let go. But who wayakian? Or none with that brag. You come to Spain. We are there Spain. Here when I wear, I'm a bug boy where I am gonna. I go avec you became no. Or more paredo, no, you see, no more way. I don't buy that gonna go a more way, no day. I don't buy that gonna. If I've done you to fight anybody, I've done you to fight people diplomatically. That's what I've ever do. Diplomacy, I have never fight anybody. I can't ask someone a few funny. Imagine I'm from town. Hello. Hello, who is calling, please? Avanin. Okay, what yeah? Yeah, you know, go. You don't go. You don't. Oh, call it a WhatsApp. A funny WhatsApp or lady say. Call it a WhatsApp, man. I deba my way me there. I never told you where I'm going to use my head to pay. My way my person agreement you my way my person agreement you every day by day you came to come. You always come online to come and lie on me. When would I be when now? Take off your children. I'm not your biological son. What have you no I was not a election what that was gonna tell none my man. That was time my man. Oh that was my you were the one that told me this thing. I told my family, now we local why you cancel? You were the one. I never beg you for anything one day. My life is good already. Hello, already speaker.
Okay.
Tell me what
okay. As in a panic to Yagon because for me, I know
no,
they
tell
are
me.
not get. Okay. Okay. As in, I greet all the of you all over the whole world. So, their last born. So, a message ni only passing a ranomigo or kagbe politician or bemarete, but a family ni to go now. No go area in go. Ni family ya here so all of us we are from Uronigbe. E kompaya wema sise ranomigo we agbinigbina ope no ke gbele mare deri egbona eri egbona no ge gbe ohia agbe kana so iru Uronigbe ma ya hi mi ma ya fe ma via odagbe akuronigbe kunere o we na kewe bo be kunere ari o edo no baji are fun ahia o we na le Uronigbe le kunere adi webo are fun ahia any han ranomigo ri ni deji me can't declare ne see any local way. Urobera no migo because you tear
I just tired. It was just a sign of respect. What to be more than that? What to be more than that? I respect you. If I your name man, I'm okay. At least good or bad.
So because pass a boundary. Also, if you pay my late father, be careful. Any so let to be made declare any rock away. If you do to that I make another queen and I settle. Oh, Bible Yahi. I am Wakatwa. This is a very try the boundary now. Family ni can no becker. No,
I can't do very insulting. Woman rock pan your one. When I do body as no marry nowhere. No be better give you wings.
Oh, Yavosi, you Uronigbe Mahi. So when no a family in Madekere, so you all the Pekbena. When no swing Jogo, when no swing, must swing like Begge, or when do not pass away, or when I care, do not pass away, Uronigbe, amigo, when
it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Where's the family we are?
It's okay. 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 No, a problem here. A problem here. More. We get worry. Let we go to draw the line. You know, a lot of us, man. You want FBI here now. You want FBI here. No problem. We will see. He will be coming to Spain. He will be coming to Spain.
Anyway, because all those ones children, if you can bros, a blessing hered me work me. May to be many last for a blessing hered make me anything.
In honor Vianya Gagbe, Kaka Bolona Kayafe, they started worrying me that from time. Okay, man, why not just leave me and let me be? Why not leave me and let me be? Why not just leave me and let me be? Leave me and let me be.
Because I want
you have narrated me everywhere. You have narrated me everywhere. Try to kill my reputation. What have I done wrong to you? What have I done wrong to you? A protest is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, that one I shot back at. Oh yeah, that one it's normal thing. Me mate no bury me. Me mate no bury. Information good and amigo. Honest. Gania ya tracking, you know. No, yeah, declare. You know, Onazege had deleted the video. He went and deleted it immediately. So he went and deleted it. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh man, I've served you. I've do delete you thing I can't very hard. Then I go on the I lived. I never give you problem. I fought for you with my mind. I really fought for you. I stand to fight for the general PFF. I was one of the first soldiers. This is how you could pay me. Hello, brother. What would you mean? You viewer? Who give a fuck about viewer? Me after viewer. Hello, please. Sorry, talk to me. Good evening. Oh, okay, let me put it on speaker. Wait, let me put it on speaker. Talk if you want to talk.
All right, good evening, my brother. And good evening to the viewers that are watching right now. First, I would like to introduce my name so that people will not think I'm one of these fake Facebook followers. My name is Gospel Wapoyera, and from Delta, partly Delta Network. Comrades, I want to quickly say something here. You know, talking about freedom fighting, I have believed that you and Eranomigo, you guys started this movement, and by your support and the other guy from Holland or wherever.
No, I didn't support anything. Now let me want to do one. All this man want to do now, he want to kill me. He want to kill me spiritually. Okay, you start to scatter my name physically. I'm taking it right now. You don't not come. Area man, where you man walking out now? Because now. I didn't do you anything. You marry up anyway. Marry we go. Marry worker. Marry worker. Why must you be worrying me?
Calm down, my brother. Calm down, my brother. The truth is this. Let's be honest here, and the most important thing is how to make peace to reign. I was supposed to come on air today, you know. I was supposed to also title the topic Black Saturday for those social media presenters. The gospel truth is this, my brother. I'm not against you, neither I'm against your sister that called, neither I'm against anybody. But it's unfortunate that sometimes we people, we don't want peace. Why did I say that? Many times you flew all the way from Spain here to Italy to support people.
I've never been paid on all the tickets in the bar. They don't give me pocket money. They don't give me pocket money. Pocket money don't they give. Now let's ticket in the bar. But they don't even gonna remember PFM people. They don't remember anyone. They don't remember any one of those sacrifices I made. But he still want me to use my head to pay.
Calm down, my brother.
He want me to use my head to pay.
Calm down. See, the gospel truth is, you know the reason I was supposed to call you after this program so that I'll talk. But now that your attention is, I have to believe that this is the best way to talk to you. Number one, you have been teaching us about love and the gospel of Jesus. Even, let me tell you something, even Jesus Christ that has our Savior today, out of the 12 disciples that he has, he also has betrayers among them, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So if you start reacting to the Ranomigo commenting by you, or
no, brother, wait, let me correct my impression. This man started this thing. Immediately we came back when I did support the kangaroo meeting he had in Bologna. He devil agent, they declared war against me. It was me against 13 people because I never want to pass that vote to kind of betray anybody who was my counterpart in the field. I said, don't dissolve this cabinet. But ever since this man has been lying on me, fighting me, threatening me, he has made messages, he bossed me with different kind of WhatsApp, this, also the SN, and he told me that if I investigated me, he knows the name of my first daughter. I'm going to be presenting it to the palace. And I'm going to go and start query for this thing. Because I be kind of people, my brother, person that read Bible does not make him to be a fool. I don't want everybody to start saying, he said be Christian. Look at what the book of Matthew chapter 11 verse 12. He says, see the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence. It is only the violent that taketh it by force. So my brother, I have to fight. If I can fight for people protest in the city of Rome on the 11th of December 2017, I think I have to fight to also advocate for myself. I've protected an amigo from people who have been insulting him. So I have to stand there to also protect my own self. If nobody can speak for me, I have to let your word know I'm under threat from an amigo. An amigo prepare a terrorist gang. I declare PFM today is a terrorist organization. You know, amigo have to go and explain to the government. You have to go and explain to it. The reason why I became so violent. He came yesterday, insulting my own dad. You know, amigo know what kills my father, and he want me to die the way my father died. You know, amigo walking and wooing. Who walking and wooing in Jesus. Hey, man. It matter with the go when I tell you where you are, sir. Who wouldn't know Tony walking out in Jesus. Except you will me down your way. Except you will done with many way.
Nipsey, calm down. What I will do before before dropping this call is this. I think it's hard time the Benin Palace look into this issue, because why I'm saying this is this, not just because of you understand, not just because of you, but I've seen a lot of things happening right now, either in social media or the Benin community. On the 1st of last month, while we were doing the Benin, what is it called in Canada, the Omonoba Medunko Konokonoba Ewari II sent a message to the world concerning the peacekeeping of the Edo community. I was the one that even cried for Ajin and ceasefire in social media. I stood for that motion. I was the one that brought it and ceasefire in social media. This man have been looking, if you try this way, later I calculate money for peace. Waiting till man never talk about me. People have been calling me a new thing, we understand you are not like this. But you still keep on it. Look at the video made. You go to delete it. Delete a video, delete it. I never met you and fatherless. I have a lot of people that can father me. He may turn what you meant to wear. Where said of be mayor? Are you man enough to be my father? At the first, who graduate to produce in as at your age, any marriage or produce about 7 graduates already. What is your problem? What is your problem? I don't know. My brother.
I don't know what thing I do this man, my brother. I don't know what thing I do. Thank God, so now they say, now my pay here for the flight they come on. I spent 21 days, 15 days, 18 days. They not they pay me money. They not they give me pocket money.
Hey.
Nobody pays me.
My brother, see, my brother, we understand. You did everything you did then just because you have love for your family.
But I'm not saying in my head I want to pay. Okay, people when me fight for all of them get peace. Me will go fight for people. I'm having problem here and there.
Nobody will kill you, comrade. Nobody will kill you. You're stronger than your enemy.
My brother, I have to say this out. I have to say it because I'll be keeping quiet. Right now, it's like to take my simplicity for stupidity. Keep it quiet looking at this very man. Because if I talk and say, bro, and I killer, all of them, I want that we are going to the court together. You are law enforcement officer now. Let go. He have betrayed me, he go keep paper, kill paper. If you know my name, my name is Tuti Igminigun. I live here in Torrevieja. Just call them from there. I'm giving you a week to come to Spain. Let's start it from somewhere. I don't got time for too much talk now. Could you know, my brother? Let me tell you something. It was only few members in PFM who was able to speak and say, okay, a new thing. We understand, forget. The rest of them then join them. And I have their name already. I'm going to submit it at the station. Because I submitted, they do my thing. As you say, you they guard yourself. Everybody have to guard yourself. Not you no book pass now. Not you no book pass. My papa don't even get picking like you. My papa will not. If they throw my give my papa, we don't die. Wait to kill it, papa. When we not bury me, they can know where you do. Every man address. They can address where you. Every man region where you're both with or Maria Webo. Who go and dig how many graduates in every man? Where I dig no graduate, you know, man. Go and dig how many graduates my father was able to produce before he died at the age of 80 years. Oh, we are not age of 80 years, only matter. A premature death in India. Oh, we are not age of 80 years. Oh, my very matter. We are going to end it here. My brother, I will not keep, I don't want anybody to call me for any peacekeeping. I want you to come online and say no, you can. Let us see who is going to lose at the end of the day. Before I do anything, you need to know your manner. I just choose to put zero my ear to so many things.
Newton,
yeah.
Let me continue before, so that you can continue with your program. In case for the viewers, they don't know what is really happening, let me quickly say something. And this message, I think a lot of PFM members, they are watching this video right now. The truth is this, I can remember that you were the person that presented an award of PFM to the present commissioner of... I
was the one, I bought my ticket myself. I bought my hotel bill, I paid it myself. It was only 50,000 naira and Omigo gave to me. Money we had to banner, I came to Europe with 4 banners. I know how much I spent on that trip. PFM not give me money. Only the money get to me was 50,000 naira. I bought my ticket, go and come. But he want me to use my head to pay for the sacrifice I've done. He want me to use my head to pay. How can I pay with my own head? Even as I did, my brother Bini was very hot. He told the grace of my own elder brother in Valencia, who was able to calm so many things down. Because at that time, what happened for Italy, Bini they hot. People were even expecting to say, if I go Bini, I don't come back. But due to the climate where I get, God escort me go come, you know. Ask him whether I give me any mopo. Glory be to God for the life of James. We were together. I know how much I spent. It was my personal money. It was my personal money I spent. But you are here finishing my name. I don't even care. Yesterday they thought, say, from Cancelo. One way Cancelo. I never know you were a deceiver. You deceived me to the game. Later, I pray. The spirit of life. The most personal life. I don't want to. I never met this man working. Take care of me as a son. Where he may say and look at me. Where he may say, look, I want everybody to look me. This is president in making. A president in making. How head? Do you know when I started doing my when he became advocate here? Do you know when I started it?
Comrade, it's okay.
I don't just know. He keep on doing one thing. If not because he dropped my father, my late father, blessed memory, may death also rest in perfect peace. I for not even mind now. Yeah. He PFM member, some of them they support him. They clap follow him.
My brother, it's okay. It's okay. We all, I was in member of PFM. I told you what happened. We all know all the best you did for them. So nobody.
Nobody remembering the sacrifice I made up to today. I will leave my comfort zone 22 days in the wilderness. You not remember anyone. You want me to one you is that possible?
Bro, only say if Iranomigo has issue with you, let him call you and you guys.
No, he will never run go. Or maybe not Tom at all. A man, a reprobate heart in the pharaoh man. Who do a pharaoh go, do a pharaoh. Or maybe not Tom, I'm sorry. If you have even called me as son, where you hear, I make no man name Lele. He started why investigating member. Okay, here you match Africa. Why Digolo working now? Now money where you see say blessing got Oya. I know about everything. They cut him an attorney. We are going to be said that FBI Agbo FBI Fianwu. I will be a no FBI. Nobody here document where me am be here. E be me ya go di me mama be me atile lowe. Di me mama be no we agbi me. Threaten me here and there. To the extent he sent me an audio we investigate many any of not do. That was a captain, very Yaruma, Mama Bolona, Anita no Regime, Humphrey, this very pastor, they by this other guy, Amos captain, no respect. We are going to go to somewhere cannot tell my phone. A new Wakaka, a blessing over a small girl, I'm waiting on. Shera no mama. If I know if I know I can wear any. If I know me go if I know I can wear any year you are bragging. I will get if I know I can wear any. If I know I can. I have any mama. I give you any. If I know I can only if I can. I want us to respect myself. Well, if you are crazy, we're not crazy by many. We're not crazy. Unu we are dear me. Unu ya dear me. Nina respect you when no. No, I don't respect this man. Not where am you viewer? Or who give a fuck about viewer? My brother, okay, oh, you man, if your boy, okay, okay, now, like other people, or some other people, either their wife not go let them come, or their family not let them come. Anytime an amigo called me, I never want the key ticket for a hand. I must present myself there. Now they can see me finish. Now they can see me finish.
If you are a great man, you are a great man. That's why I've not met with you one-on-one. One or two persons that knows you very well. I know them and they keep saying. My
brother, it took me 40-something years. 40-something years to build up a reputation. The man I will not be your number. I'm not even a politician right from time. Oh, I started my activism when I was very small. Of panic cake bin I never. What your Facebook here? I will put that there was a message I preached in a church 2014. I will put it on my YouTube too, as soon as I finish this. Panic advocate. What brought out? Then who said me? I was the one that spent for you. He may spend in no way. Where you on Google, let any person come out from PFF. Even an cannot do a vacuum in a when anybody do allow. Right now, my brother, oh my God, my other person will enter the position. Where you are in a position in and leave me alone. That is it. You have so many comrades.
You are a great man.
You have so many comrades. I've made my name. That is okay now. Or settlement. Okay, please, I want to tell you today. I doesn't have any void intention against you, Efeyi, brother Efeyi. God bless you. And per history, if you have anything against me, please, brother, advocacy me. We know what lagi. Yeah, why we go? I'm gone. I never know where a man now be name Ayowa. I never knew about it. I never know his evil intentions. He might way son of my good on our way. He had to picture no my son. I never knew about it. I was just thinking, okay, very mega what TV show I go with tease everywhere. I never knew about those things. Little did I know where I begin to find myself in a state of vulnerable from this very man. My brother, why wait on me go lala no do e ke do ma ri ni mejo wa we ni agbe won. Do ma die mi are wa we ni agbe won, wa wait on me go lala no do ta. But whosoever that going to be passing judgment, we don't know, man. I see God destroy you in Jesus' name. Because I'm bitter here. I'm just a young man growing up. I fight for people. All this thing I was doing was not for myself, but I try to fight for people through his own platform. I never knew that this man is that evil. He came out yesterday, the man Uguni. Mama mama diamond and you were moving Jesus. Do my mama good. What for be? But a mama diamond, you were Uvuni no Tony, go be a swam and anything you walk and laugh on even Jesus. We are going to take the matter from here. Guy, man, he terrorists. Look at how we do our case. Then call the law enforcement officer. I'm waiting for you in Spain. We brag a benessence. I go on boy. How dare you where you get me? Deri me ma bi me, we gba me lo. Where me lo, very me go we don't have gawe very now. Very me go we don't have gawe very. You to God bless you man. Me again no ya to about a woman. I insulted this woman, but due to so many people understand what is activism. Man, people why no activism. A lot of people know what's activism. I will listen to that woman. He just said, God bless you. I will listen to his other one day and forgive him because I just felt okay. We are anywhere. That was the man that was having. The man is saying, "They knew no matter time agbon. They knew who 2 time agbon. Where time agbon. Who tell me where agbon. Say what I've done to you to the world.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, pardon, mon sir.
Yeah, I want the bomb, my brother.
Okay, you want your speaker?
Yeah.
No, where can America? My other brother, my father was the first person to sponsor his son, brother. My brother, my other brother, 85 of Paris, America. No, where you now? What one team of America? One cousin of America? One of America?
Hello?
Et pas gourmand, et moi, je explique.
La voix est speaker.
Et moi, yon.
Okay, I will speak with Benin because this problem is for Benin, man. Amigo, you know, you have been doing a lot of things in the media because say we are coming from one place. Amigo, okay, looking Philobi, no gear, or tell me, see no brother, in a one. If you know brother, you know, no one out, or two not your messing. So, we want to feel where we don't want to go anywhere.
No.
Mama can't man no head where. Mama can't man no head where. Only where what bury like your Omaho. But we not decide the man we know soon any matter.
I was told by you when I go make one iPad. Utama man. He was he not speak when I PFF. The very first audio near make against a party Mofi. Did what the people not got been on it.
No one man or make a in a camera give an amigo he gave Dano. You know we study Udano now be everywhere, but on Magure the debabo near long here who take it in Mayake day. You understand?
No, what you mean? You're a viewer. Who give a fuck about viewer?
With an amigo Bakutana. They know it direct or a super girame. Any man on my way premature death or hearing a sound word. They didn't arrest you that way. Now, amigo, it's a warning to you. Anything already so that you see. Wherever you know your way.
It's a terrorist organization. It's a terrorist organization. Terrorist organization.
Anything already sooner die. My neighbor, you already give up message. So that one is clear to us.
E pala wa gumede. Akwa mo dan pegbe o te gume gwa mare wa la ho. Wa yo boyo me kete o ge gbin wo no. Ima ewe yo kan do aye. I never knew. I never knew. I never knew.
Because if I don't see Corey, no way, a trace over way. PM, you're talking, you ever know where you take no wagon, nobody ever can be even on that before I'm with that over here. Now, everybody's in news. How can you imagine a person cannot have person that he trusts for his life? That's a very deep person in. He quit that for media. I quit that. There is a restaurant. I'm not going to Zolo. I'm going to so quick to Pano be able to get it. The men of Zolo are in Coco say, on a CSI, you talk. When you got it, you may not go me. And when you go Bona, what's in your but he was having cargoes of battalion. And he don't know, he has a battalion because he already done the government cannot draw. It's the truth. He will feel it by physically. He will feel it by spiritually.
Threaten me with death.
All is zero. Because we the family, we already tried for an amigo. He doesn't understand.
He's going to movement now. I spend my personal money.
He doesn't understand.
If I saw to know where you why I go 20 days ago, where me go.
Trouble with that. You don't give me your attend like we have like we are. A baby from Ronico, a baby no what pay for Ronico. Era no peer me. Very JB, here I it's my own family. It's my own family. And Mother Bologna, we need to know your name. I will say
No, yeah, your boy, Yokmane, Otto Anita, Otto this Humphrey de by a black captain or respect, black captain respect de by a blessing or a blessing Bobolona. We are all going to that together to go answer. No one to tell you why we are going to
we're making a new ticket, a little sick or sick over,
I just tired. This man have sent my name all over the whole world, trying to bring me down. What have I done to you? I fought with this man with my own heart.
When your mother Bologna, we might get it one day. We might take care of where you or you know I mean. Our where
man, you were all every meuni or Tiamami Boyawene. Any meuni anywhere with this man. Okay, the ticket in Lelen. I know how much I've lost. People will come in.
The video we will file it to Okaro, we will file it to the Okaro from Evosi, we are still related to Evosi. We will file it, let them keep it. Anything very soon.
I'm a law enforcement officer.
It's too much.
Don't go to where Zarimutama pain. I don't know what did they do. Okay, I can have your government said you're going to be an answer.
America. If you don't know America, we don't know here.
No, I will not buy a palagade, you do. We get there, you do. We got saying all those one are too big for this nonsense. Any polog be nonsense in Anagala, why there you do. We are one of the family that is known in Uronibe for academics. That we investigation, we are one of the people that know in Uronibe for academics. We are one of the people that is known in Uronibe for academics. Training a Rimerian where Yenime Yasav where women were Barovia. A training a Rimerian where no way do I saw them a Yagu.
Maybe when they don't when we kept with Anna, my husband and the fact we fought the mother, if we fought the father, if we fought your daughter.
No, your man, no metisena.
Everything was the people
you know, your man, no metise. Here, you matter Africa. What you matter Africa here? What you matter Africa here? What you matter Africa? Unwe guess in a blessing I am or do well. A amigo is a gigolo. A gigolo and amigo here, gigolo. You are a gigolo. A gigolo. Nonsense. PFM is a terrorist organization. I have series of proof to it. That terrorism, okay, here government. Let us do okay, we are fighting the government. I fight every fight with him with diplomacy, a constructive criticism. I never know where extent in Ojo. I don't want to go any extent with anybody.
Let's say that the Mama Bologna, they are the manager for this set. I will not get copy and care. I do all already. I made a mistake. You know that I am a brother of data, Queen and Jokan. Don't you put on a prayer. They need to join this part and form the group where maybe they have
my brother, December when I was leaving Madrid, when we later confirmed, okay, we need to go to Rome and protest. After we donated 500 euros, a flat team they will do in saving people or team camp. I did this thing for the world. Not because what I was expecting, not because what I pay, man. No man who for you people to know now, every services I rendered in PFM was free of charge. FOC. I paid my monthly due. I donate. A flat in all missing a June. A flat in all missing a June. 50 euro way. A flat in all missing a June. A 50 euro way. I pay 50 euro to support his flight. What we miss a ticket? Why will you only out? What did you want from me? Oh, no, all of us. Either maybe EPA, epa mujane.
The problem of PFA. They were not problem. They will come away because we have that. Because the man have been struggling, he have been losing his head.
No, everybody decide him. Decide. Nobody general we born akabe here one day. Even wa gbe me yese do sa gbo wa yese be ni Jesu. Even wa be gbe me yese so sa ro gbo wa yese. Ebe even wa wo me be ma wo be ma no wa.
Continue. Where we can I say ya
no, yes, in answer there now. Honor do get se vala dia ke blessing ke one that get. He na do I sort me social media. I never want to support him in any fact. Neni binoga we bina de na no so me have support. Me ma see ezore PFM one day where every month see ezore.
Because we are coming from one place.
I fought for him. I me aro pa ni ma mi ukan. I am your wrong me mami on social media because of this very man. I am your job party mame before I was talking on audio. Oh, Timmy, you me viewer. Medal winning. I'm waiting for you in Spain. Medal where in Spain. I'm going to dress. The very day you are coming, I'm going to dress more elegant than this. Who do I want with my father? Let's go there together. Can you just imagine that? Oma, chairman, later, let me finish up this one. No, hurry. Me agwere go, me agwere. No, when Martin, or we are Martin or Moses, so all of them will go in for it. He gawe. I was always in forefront. I was always in forefront. A fair protest in Roma was there laugh and direct. I display what I know. Do what get a training man. Before the fair protest in Rome, okay, why mame? Then you pan where mame, where my mama nick by any money per manati go. What over my mama nick by? Menego America is pay me. Then no my eta. Then no my get tagame. I'm just keeping quiet. I'm running banner. Why you bought some egg corner? I'm not an great man. I'm not a charlatan. Here misguided element. I choose to respect you due to working. I leave with your going. Psychological father here. I did not call you my biological father. Who saw that same here? Don't when you want me your marabokes here. When me maybe show me address Ladian. When me maybe show. You come over away. Nanario what take care for granted. You really taking me for granted. Oh, we not better. We are tolo kunguru ni benime. Where full pedigree now? Waga full pedigree we menu talo na utalo. We ni unwage. Iso asien. Iso asien. Nonsense. Ozege a deleted the video. I deleted. Ogwimene. FBI. I will just call FBI. FBI warrior vagbon. E Donald Trump igbe. FBI. Yeah, I'll come to wonder what kind of nonsense is all this. FBI can't dedicate me to America. They don't know we are here Europe. But we are needing men. We call the Spanish authority. I want you to call them here and invite me. One of me, your name of the station. At the number, they arrest. I'm your Niger arrest here. Who know they go arrest? The Niger arrest. Men are not the bomb me can work. I can't tell you, man. I say me, what is important about that? Why? I never want to tell you any story about myself. Investigator, nonsense investigator. Investigating me, Robert. Hello, speaking. Hello, Bidis. Good evening. God bless you. My brother, this man don't since June, this man don't rubbish my name. I just they keep quiet. They look. Could you know this man went to go and insult my own leader? They remember cooking me on me. Oh, wait, bro. All followers that they support them. Ni mi aya wu wakian wu. One wa bare no mani mi aya we si me kan gbe me wasu wa kan gbe because e se mere do unu wa. When I feel geri me. When I feel geri me. E keneri me mu dai bo aragbon eri we mu dia ye ba. Eri me na ku we gwan you cannot even you cannot even interpret it. We interpret it. Who will learn from me? Some of my English are well low now. Some of my English are well low. Some of my English are well low. Okay, that not teach go women will wear. Okay, now me go build the movement to wear. Me pa. You can't pa. My view ni view you pa. All my videos are still with you. The name I made them is still with you. Every fat I fought is still with you. Me pass away and people start on reaching on you. We make a good way. They are not there. We was able to dare you. We was able to dare you. My brother, I don't to kick out the look this man. I have come to come and tell myself and my family. I come to come and put myself in your neck. No, sir. Why when I deleted the video? A sharp man, sharp fire. A sharp. My father was a loving father. He do not remember what in the youth that they still missing. The youth in my area, they still miss my father until today. Were very loyal, sir. I was unable to move with you because you are oppressor. You are an oppressor. Oppressor. It's what I say when I'm saying. Oppressor and amigo king. And I'm waiting for an amigo. And they wait for you for Spain. See me, my man. And they wait for you for Spain. Me jack away. I want you to come. I'm waiting for you in Spain. Me wa jack away. I'm waiting for you in Spain. Me jack away in Spain. He can warrior go no man say I respect this man to the core. Ha e pardon mon my love is it. E pardon mon my love is it. Una that is I don't just know. Don't not take me for granted. They no ban ori me. You go me yard in Nigeria. You gave me a fair vision to pursue. More detected to go to go film. Today what every cancel one more. Where November or there water me. I can bring out somebody who will make an audio. That person was there that very day when you make that call. After the first audio, I made against John Sagi. He me told where. He me told where. No wa se no ha sigiri ga gbo yegbo. No wa se na bo wa ya gbe me say o ga sigiri ga gbo yegbo. If I've ever planned evil against you, it will come back to me. My plan evil against you were there. It will go back to you in Jesus' name. You are going to use your head to crack it. Why you wear your money? Because when I was coming to you, I never said I'm going to come and pay with my head. I came to come and assist people. I never said I'm going to pay with my head. Right now, you want me. Me wear with suya. Me wear with suya. God forbid, you will use your head to carry it. You will use your head to carry it. You will use your head to carry it. You are the one that removed it for your platform. I slowly walk away. Right now, I've walked away. How dare you? Then, if you can insult my father, I have the right to insult you. Who know where I am? I when I'm going to attack audio. Who know where I am? Who know where I am? I when I'm going to attack audio. Who then are you going? Oh man, no man, any person that will pass injustice in this matter, any person that will pass injustice in this issue, you guys with your head to carry it. Enough is enough. Wagimani do a matter. A protest ya man affair yo I was there. I was there in all. On my jerok bare, on my rigome. He might be good one day. There was a day he called me. Or when I will pass here, do you think I was looking for a father to adopt? Did I even need a father in my life? Did I even need a father, no person like you? On no account. I'm waiting for you to come in Spain. A week in your woman in Spain, what you are going to be seeing again, going to be there. It's going to be bad more than this. have done the battle line. We may not to lose, maybe not to lose. We settle where you better down your estimate legbe. Estimate legbe. Ejineri me ya ejineri me je wo e ma neru ni e ma so esi ni ase ejine. He live a fulfilled life. He train all his children. My father live a fulfilled life. Any small thing, if I've ever one day, and we're charging me, you know, they now more give away from more give them information. But if I give you, you will use your head to feed that hole. You will use your head to feed that hole. Everybody, do people here for why you bog bele yafo. Why you bog bele yafo? Mwe bog bona. We're president of the poor working. He may fair. Let us you are my president. Why must you be killing me? President of the poor. Where my accountability? One argument on good way. One argument on good way. Nonsense. Because some people choose to follow you. The young women are not where you've been. The people I have helped with my hand. We have people here. Hello, Williams. Hello, Williams. Hello, Anita. Adela Facebook. No, a man and my brother, all of una see the way I take suffer. A man, why not bring me about my brother? I don't withdraw from my email, Lenny. I don't already run from her. But you know what? Let me be. My brother had to chat or do you want to know? I will not go and die in silence. People are dying here, they're dying anyhow. This my son is a killer. Evil man, no? Evil man, Ranamigo King. Ranamigo is an evil man. I need to scream and shout. Ranamigo is an evil man. Let him come and quote me wrong. I just tell you, don't take away the rubbish, man. Make your boom. Why don't we go and curse my father? I don't know what to be problem. I mean, no man traveled the evil Abraham traveled in the Bible. Abraham traveled in the Bible. I mean, no man traveled, my brother. I don't know what's wrong with this very man. He might not be one. Yeah, the village now. You know, my brother, I have not talked about it, but I have to let the whole world know. I have to let the whole world know my life is at risk here, you know. Okay, I hear you. Make her change the topic. Yeah. Yeah, please viewer, these some of the people we struggled together to enter Europe in 2003. He knows me right from time, you know. I was in this struggle. All these men, they call me, God, continue. A lot of people was an encourager to me. Please, I'm going to be ending the video. I'm going to skip my topic. Hello, madam. Hello, good evening.
Bluetooth mode.
I just tired. Okay, can't insult him, man. I'm on my travel there. And so what? And so what? Am I here, you care? Am I can travel there? No, we go all my Spain. Here on we go up Kenya. It may own on Spain. Let it call national. Call it national. You people were a panic platform. I was not after money. I was just having that compassion to rescue. Yeah, it's to the only medal you may pay. No, wage no na guani. Ima ego egwan. O tori me no hu ne. Ewe ya fi kwege. We no bi oba do ba mere obi of bien. We no bi oba do ba mere obi of bien. O we to agbera no mi go. Wari azan mari enu e. Azan boga de nu we. Nonsense. E tu ade ba yan aba se. We amomo bi we ti tama we. E bi una magba. I we that you where. Enu we women I we that you where. I we that you where. I we that you where. Oh, obia military personnel. Where cost in met here? Obia say graduate. One regret in the remember here. Unregretted to well produce. How many graduates have you produced? Unregretted to well produce. Nonsense. I just say me I keep quiet the looker. How do I tell Monzuo? Send your aya killers. Send your aya killers and waiting. Send your aya killers who kata the woman here. Nonsense. No one has a get ability. When we are made you know, more you well, you know, a gigolo down, a gigolo king. Nonsense. No, a team no a responding now. A demand people marry a barrel my awogima. He go conspain now. Or Ben Kenya. I will be the third person or see where get FBI can dedicate me at the America. I'm going to open online upon Donald Trump and FBI. Me as a Romia where look at what somebody will be telling me. He had a moment. They'll come and pick me that time. Okay, Mama, you will end the video. Let me once I get picked on end the video. I will end it. I will obey you. I will end it here. I will be struggling with you. No, I was just having that compassion to rescue. I was having that mind working. Oh, mama going to come. Nigeria need you. Presented the permission and police. It was my personal hand money. He may borrow it only because the urgent, the emergency. He took me time to pay back that money. Where the ticket in him? Did you buy ticket for me? Here you are. I trained him. Where the cocotin went there? Where cocotin went? Where cocotin went? Come and calculate the go no same. Hello, bro. I want the video so another call where they. I want a dance, so I want a dance, so no problem. I want a dance, so I hear you. I want a dance, so I want a dance, so. I want a dance, so. Na gwana wu. Oba hirugu re ni ama owo no gbedo kan abi awo no ogbe no dole doji a military personnel all my time abia every man a governor waje gan a farmer man with governor ye gan also a governor. I'm a military personnel. And so what? Who give a fuck about that? Hello alelewe we boy. O sagbina o haye. Nonsense. I was a soldier in PFL. And I remain a soldier. Where my uncle you think you can just humiliate me? A preamble is the I came to come and give you preamble. Ijo do yana de wonu make na DSP. I came to come and use one to den wa DSP. Ya chain wa ya. E wa ya we yes. O man no te Bible. 50% more brilliant than who doesn't read Bible. He marry worker. He marry we. Viagi we de mi pa me gwe ma ti tamagbon. Since July. Since June. A PR we win na we scatter position. Please, nobody call me. Everybody fed it there since now. It has come to. I don't want anybody to call me again, please. What about it, man? Let nobody call me. Why going to call me? I saw to carry my cross. God knows say waiting I go do, not be fight I go fight. He can't retire if at all I want to get problem. I want to get problem from this advocacy. And right now, it is the way even like, but no problem. To God be the glory. I think history will remember me. Because I protected my people. I know what suffering is all about. When I heard that this thing have come out, it's an avenue for all. I was only concerned about the youth, both in Roman Parliament, in the city of Roma, Roman Parliament. You those of you want to be on a platform now. If I've done anything wrong with you guys, off work, imagine why we wait to our poker. If I've done wrong to you, we oppress me, he can't tell me depression. Military personnel my foot. Military personnel my foot. E chama bia o ziba be no jegan. E chama bia o na ziba be no jegan. E Donald Trump for jegan o mama ro enwa. I'm a military personnel. I will woman Spain, who we what worse in me ya. Woman Spain, you worse in everything. Send out your people. Yeah, I'm going to bring out the comrades. Igbe vacuum ni yoto. Anyu anointi feel. Let them come out. Where the comrades of work pala than in my advocacy. I train him at we might train another person or train not one. Train not one. How dare you talk to my father anyhow like that? Who you on anybody? You have never wanted to talk about any history of Benin. Unimo pa woman. Come on, single character go. Come on, single. Unimo pa go. Unimo pa go. Unimo. Better make a hand down here. Go mo gwan bogbe. Oh, ti yen me viewer. E ko ya le lo egbe na. Igbe na no no way do you me kai. Wo ka ya mo yi anu ma gina na. The death you are planning for me and amigo, you will claim it amigo, a death you plan it that many. Wo ka ya mo e Jesus Christ no me afa. Imagine you well. I have not done wrong to you. I serve you. And no you were my own way. Don't be why going on with the social media. And no you were my own way. Tell me own way. How dare you talk to my leader? What in your mere viewer? He can never take your over. Can never take your over. Oh, Saloba Guyan. Oh, Saloba na will weather over your remain. Saloba will weather over your remain. A deceiver. Nonsense. What be one year in okay, you want to give me that meje. I want to be me here, mo. Give me that meje, me gbe. Ima to bu were we se ga se me. Where me pon meje, where me batari me gba. Where me ogori me gba yo bo. Me ko anu se se ba we a. When the member we ko awu pon meje o me ni. Meje to sin e be nu we jo na. No matter what, We no we go. No we me. We no we go. I choose to let go because I got your son, but my knowing God don't make me to be foolish, man. I'm a man of a reputation. Imagine your boy, no man bad. I have lived all my life helping people. Oh, man, if you don't know, no matter better walk, no matter better walk. Oh, man, no way with my young man again, man. Oh, man, what do you go? Ibo yen wedi. Ibo hin wadi. Wani riya wadi ago wani gbelibiere. O ma go be UK nana. Ido so ma wa wani managbon. No wajero ya so me. No bera no mi go ge gba me. Ya wa go eme na ya wa go eme mo eme na ya wa go eme mo yi wa go eme mo ya wa go eme mo se imami ro bani we wa na se na ti ne gwani respect go Mario go ne rime ni Mario go nu we. If I can fight for you when we're foolish, he said, I can also fight for my late father. And to present that name, nonsense. I want to let us know something. I was one of the soldiers. I was one of the soldiers when it comes to war. I was one of the soldiers. Me we adogbe. Me we threatening. Who will draw a warning? Who will draw? Well, I mean, there are people that I was going on with Dodomi who were brilliant. He said, I gave you that respect. Okay, you are the president that I found out. I mean, my accuse him. Nonsense. Everything a man could have. They don't get problem with cancel up. What he meant, what I never meant you look at what I'm looking for. He man met you oh Agrippa was told dead liar. Okay, well boom fee warrior that go no sir. Look at the ababo. Yagi the ababo no fee warrior. Fee warrior get the ababo. Killer. I'm waiting for you to come to Spain. I'm waiting for you to come to Spain. Why you go to Spain? I'll go on my no matter, nobody's good apart from you. Nobody's good. Please, let's be attending there. Good night. God bless you. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.